Your Excellency Irasai Anas Abadala, what message do you have that you intend to pass across to the public in a time like this, and especially today that the presidential candidate for APC enter Kano State? Well, all glory to the Almighty God. First and foremost, just as I said in our recent conversation, that APC as a party does not have support or regard for the public. And now God in his own might and wisdom has established what we said. Because Asiwaju Ahmed Tinubu has come to Kano State, and visibly, the people did not come out to welcome him as they ought to, meaning they do not accept him. What made the people to do that? We that are in government and in the center of APC, we think that no one else has sense. We are the only sensible people. We are the ones that will use the strength of government and money as an instrument. But now the people of Kano State has been given the money to welcome Tinubu. They collected the money and ate it, and everybody has gone to his house and sat down. For example, let me give this example. Those listening should listen to what I'm about to say. The Minister of Works, former Lagos State Governor Fashola, came out and spoke clearly and openly that at the coming of President Buhari, as at the time he came in, 8,000 kilometers of roads has been constructed all across Nigeria in the past 7.5 years we have spent in government. But in these 7 years, 5,000 plus of those roads went to the Yoruba states. 5,000 plus. The remaining 3,000 kilometers here in the northern part of Nigeria, 3/4 of those roads has not been completed. It's this same Fashola that refused to allow them to give us light. He's the one that stopped everything related to the reviving of our light here in the northern part of Nigeria. After Obasanjo, it was what he did to us that led to the elimination of our light. And now he comes out and plays Fashola. And this Fashola is Tinubu's boy, the former governor of Lagos. But today, it's our own people that are going to publicize Tinubu. This Fashola, everything he will do in his life, he must consult Tinubu. And now he's shamelessly coming out to say that over 5,000 kilometers of the roads constructed are in the Yoruba state. Our brother is ruling, and we here, apart from loss of lives and properties, we have nothing. Another disturbing issue is the fact that President Muhammadu Buhari is the Minister of Petroleum. He is the National Minister of Petroleum for the past 7.5 years. NNPC, the body responsible for refining crude oil for the nation, came out with information that recharge card, listeners should hear me well, recharge card, they bought recharge card of 20 billion naira in 1 year. 20 billion naira. Buhari is alive and is ruling this kind of government. Now, to welcome visitors from gate to office, to eat biscuits, drink minerals and bottled water, they spent 13 billion naira in 1 year. So when you join the 20 billion naira in the 20 billion naira and 13 billion, it will sum up to 33 billion naira for only biscuits, reading newspaper and recharge card. And Buhari is the leader of this government. So which poor man will come out and say he will come and engage in any of such things? Since Nigeria was established, this kind of injustice that has been done by APC government has never been done to the north. Vice President is a Yoruba man. The Speaker is Yoruba. Go and see the injustice that has been done, just considering the things that the Vice President did under the trade and money market. Go and consider the injustice the Speaker finally at the National Assembly displayed, taking privileges to their own Yoruba section. And now they come out that we should carry our votes again and give it to Yorubas. Your Excellency, do you think that this means that they are not supposed to be elected, or what? They are not supposed to be elected. Any poor man that go ahead to vote APC at any level in election, on the day of judgment, God will punish him for putting the people of Nigeria in problem. Especially we here from the north. We are those that set up APC. We are the people in the government of APC. We have cheated the masses. President Buhari, even now his wife has come out. The world had her say that they want to apologize to Nigerians because of what they ought to do. She said, whether they have done it, it was done or it was not done, we must apologize to Nigerians. The answer is that it was not done. What ought to be done was not done. Now, you hear everything has gone up. Rice, 2,500 naira. Today I am in Kano, in the city of Kano. Now, from me to my grandfathers, we are all indigenous of Kano. A liter of fuel is 250 to 300 naira. Since this place was established, we have never seen evil like this one. Apart from weakening our wealthy people, any occasion comes up, somebody has to sell his family inheritance to give money. Even they have to sell farmland. Somebody will sell the land he inherited from his father, who inherited it from his grandfather, because they kidnap his son or his relative to go and give the money as ransom. All of this happened under Buhari's leadership. We are in the government. It's necessary that we declare the truth, because on judgment day, God will ask us. Whether you are a Muslim or a Christian, God will ask you the right of these our masses. For that reason, just as the prophet declared, anybody we think can do such a thing, let's tell ourselves the plain truth. As a party, APC, we cannot handle this work at all. If Buhari is leading a Hausa man, a Fulani man, a Muslim from Daura, and a human being is burnt alive in Sokoto, a pregnant woman was set ablaze. Their children in Zamfara state were packed and killed. Their corpses were thrown in a well. Buhari has never gone to sympathize with their people. So what will Ahmed Bola Tinubu do? A person that cannot stand for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes he cannot stand, and you go to vote for him. Buhari from Daura. The Daura that originates from the north is the real Hausas. Is leading. A Muslim is leading, and they will enter a village and kill women. Somebody is standing in his presence, they will rape his daughter and kill her before his presence, and you are here talking.